Lego. It's the original.
Welcome. It's your girl Alicia. Hey. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn.
So the wig that I'll be using today is from Super Idol. This is what their packaging looks like. It comes in this pink drawstring bag. All that came in today's package is the wig, a hair care brochure, 2 scrunchies, and a mesh wig cap. This is what the wig looks like right here. I'm just pretty much checking if there's any shedding, and I did get minimal shedding, which is expected as this is a curly wig, and of course all hair sheds. This is what inside the wig looks like. It is a 4x4 deep wave closure wig. It comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps, which is a standard cap construction. I'll make sure to link all the details down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and install. For install today, I'll be using my Eden Wonderly Spawn spray, and I did 3 layers, and then I used my blow dryer on cool hair. I spray under the lace because I find that it makes the install less messy.
James Bond, me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head.
Then I pretty much just lay the lace down and use my elastic band to melt the lace in for 30 minutes. Then I cut the excess lace away.
You lose control, you got the fire control, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire.
Lego. It's the original Batman.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Alright, Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about?
Here I'm just fighting out my baby hairs, and to get rid of the white cast, I went back over it with my lace bond spray and tied it down for an additional 15 minutes while I work on my side part.
Something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so
to get the wig as flat as I possibly can, I went in section with my wax stick and my hot comb until I get the desired flatness that I want.
On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire.
Lego. It's the original Batman.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to.
For my baby hairs, I use the Eco Styler gel, and to melt the lace further, I went in with my Sebastian spray and elastic band while I do my makeup and get ready.
So me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want about man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when.
This hair has a lot of volume. As you can see, I used Sleek and Shine to give the hair some sheen and went in with water and my preferred leave-in conditioner and my denim brush to get the wet look. I did lose the volume, but when it's dry, it will pretty much get back the volume.
On a cruise control, let the vibes come through, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for him. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire.
Lego. It's the original Batman.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down.
So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. You go and make up yourself.